Hi, in one of the last videos, we already learned how we can add Shopware Intelligence Plus in Shopware 6. If you missed this, take another look at it. I'll link that in the video description. Beyond that, we also looked at what services actually are, and we'll go through these step by step in the next videos. I'm going to create a small playlist for this. I'll also link that in the video description afterwards. Exactly. Today we're starting with the CAD files, which we can convert to 3D files with one of the Shopware Intelligence Plus services. Afterwards, we can of course also see them in the preview and so on, but that's something for the next video. To illustrate this, we'll first click on the Content tab on the left side, and then there's the Media area where we can upload our files. I've already created a folder in this instance called Video, where we're now going to upload everything. To do this, I just click on Upload File at the top. I've brought various sample files for our video today, and I only need this one right now. Then I can click on Open, and everything will be uploaded as usual. That was relatively quick, so I can just click on this file now, and of course, as with all other files I upload there, I have the various options that are available, for example, downloading again, replacing, moving the file, and so on. But we also see here in the actions that I can now convert this file to a 3D, or rather to a 3D model. Roughly speaking, what happens at this moment is that the file is passed on via an API, converted, and then returned. To put it simply, that's what happens in the background. There's a bit more about this in our documentation. For now, we're just going to focus on how it would look. Yeah, exactly. In the daily doing. I'll just click here now, then I'll be asked, hey, do you want to convert this file? Then I can click on the button here again, and then it'll start loading. Of course, this will take a moment, so I'll make a small cut here. After the file has been successfully converted, we'll receive a notification in the administration. Of course, you can continue working normally in your administration while it's loading. We now have the option to either jump directly to the file or close the notification and ignore it for now. Of course, we want to take a look at it now. So I'll click on Go to File here. So I'm now being redirected to the folder where the 3D file is located, and from there I could continue working with it and use it in various places in our storefront, for example, or for a product. We'll take a look at exactly this in the 3D previews, for example. The file is of course also used there. However, we'll see that in the next video.